Hello mga kakwento! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real for life, about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So tonight, I'm so glad because you're here taking time to slow down, reflect, and breathe. Alam mo, ang bilis ng panahon. Trabaho, family, goals, minsan nakakalimutan na nating huminga. So welcome to my Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago Series 69. Our topic tonight is something very close to my heart. What brings you peace? Identifying and protecting your peace sources. So there was a season in my life na sobrang bilis kong gumalaw. Laging may hinahabol sa work, family, dreams. Akala ko kapag busy ka kasi, ibig sabihin successful ka. Pero deep inside, pagod ako. My mind was noisy, my heart was restless. Parang kahit ang dami kong ginagawa, wala akong peace. Then one day, I asked myself, what truly brings you peace? What truly brings me peace? And that one question changed everything. Because peace isn't something that we find from people or success. Peace starts from within. And once you discover what brings you peace, you start living differently. Mas kalmado ka, mas buo, mas totoo. So, peace looks differently for everyone. So, for some, it's nature, the sound of trees, birds, fresh air. For others, it's quiet mornings with coffee and prayer. At para sa marami sa atin, mga nanay, mga moms, mga OFWs, peace is knowing your family is safe, happy, and provided for. So for me, peace happens when I'm aligned. When my purpose, yung actions ko, and my heart move in the same direction. Pero ito yung totoo. Peace won't stay if you don't protect it. So kung lagi tayong yes ng yes kahit pagod na tayo, yung pinapapasok pa rin natin yung stress, yung pressure, and negativity, unti-unti tayong mauubos. Unti-unti, mauubos tayo. So start being aware. What fills your spirit and what empties it? Then choose to guard your peace like the most valuable investment. Kasi totoo, yun talaga yung isa sa mga yaman natin, yung peace. So protecting your peace doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you choose where to give your energy, your time, and emotions. Say no when your heart needs rest. Unplug when your mind feels heavy. Pray when you feel lost. So remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. When you protect your peace, you protect your joy, your clarity, and your strength. And that's where real growth begins. So tonight, I invite you to pause and ask yourself, what brings me peace? And am I protecting it or am I giving it too easily? Giving it away too easily. So peace isn't about having a perfect life. It's about having a peaceful heart kahit nasa gitna ka ng imperfections. So take care of your peace because when you have peace, you can face anything with grace. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. Thank you for the love and thank you for watching Donna Vlog. So see you again on my next live for another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more, you can direct message me or register on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.